Too early.
Live.
Hi everyone, Christy here, mymammataught.me.com, and today I wanted to open up my Misfits market box with you guys. This is my very first time ordering it myself. I have had other readers order it and have good reviews about it, so I thought it was time to give it a try. So
my arms
it
are already
is
burning.
What?
I said my arms are already burning.
I have my daughter helping me hold the phone. So what it is a subscription box for fruits and vegetables. And so once you sign up, you are going to be automatically subscribed to get it either every week or every 2 weeks, depending on what you choose. But the great thing about it is you can go in and you can edit it if you need to pause it as well. So what is Misfits Market? You might have seen commercials online for them or on TV. What it is produce that the farms can't sell in grocery stores, so you're going to see things that maybe they say are too big, too small, or maybe a little oddly shaped, but they're still perfectly good produce. So that's where they use those for these boxes, and it is all organic, so that is a big plus. There's 2 different subscription boxes to choose from. There's a small box and there's a large box. One's the Mischief box and the other's the Madness box. So the Mischief, which is what I got right here, is $22. And they say it is a $35 value, and it comes with 10 to 13 pounds of produce. Then you have the large box, which is $35, and it's valued at $65. And that is 18 to 22 pounds of fruits and vegetables. So the only thing that I didn't like, that I was hesitant on trying, is the fact that you can't select your produce. So what it is they do tell you what each box may or may not have in it. So you can see on their website that, but it's random. They do tell you how much. There's you get a greens, you get a certain, of each category, a fruit and stuff like that. So I have no clue what is in this box or what it may be. I might not even know the names of some of their produce, to be honest. I'm kind of stick to the usuals when I shop. I have been branching out a little bit more and trying new produce when I shop. I found out that I like butternut squash, and that's something that I would have never tried before. So we're going to open it now.
I had to reposition my hands. This arm's burning.
Okay. So we're going to open the box now, and we're going to see what I got and see if I like it. I don't know. So we'll see. And if you guys have tried this, I would love to hear your reviews on it, what you have thought about the box. If you love it, if you do it all the time, or you want to try but you haven't tried it yet, let me know. And if you have any questions too, you can go ahead and ask, and I will be sure to answer them later.
Or I can just tell you now.
Well, yeah, you can tell me now. So right on the top, it has a recipe card, so that's kind of neat. It comes with a recipe card, so I'm assuming maybe I have eggplant in here. I would hope so if they gave me an eggplant recipe, which I do like eggplant, so that's kind of neat. I like that. So let's see. Ooh, we have an ice pack. So let me see. I'm going to actually put this down here. Can you see it better like that?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Okay. That is zucchini. I love zucchini. Ooh. Well, what? There's got to be oranges, little oranges. Grapefruit, right? Yes, grapefruit. My husband likes grapefruit, so that's great. I don't like it. This would be kale. I actually don't mind kale. Yeah, Jenna says no to kale. I don't mind kale. I like putting different things. So here we have a pepper. So like as firmness goes too, it's not like mushy or anything. So I like that. Same with the zucchini. Everything seems pretty fresh. Let's see. Got another pepper. Ooh, little apples.
Oh, they're so cute.
Let's see. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. That's a fair size, I think, for cauliflower. It does have a little bit of brown on it, but I mean, when you go to the grocery store, you're gonna see that too. So I mean, it's not a big deal at all.
I guess I could live with eating that.
Ooh, there seems to be a fair amount in here. We have some more oranges. This is an onion. We have an onion. It's nice and firm. Another onion. Can you see this stuff out here good too? Yeah.
Yeah, you can see it below the black top thing.
Another apple. Ooh, squash. I love making spaghetti squash. Actually, I had that for lunch the other day. Nice.
And dinner the day before.
I like this so far. Let's see. These little potatoes. Yep. And we have, I don't know if there's a certain name for these kinds of potatoes, but I have four, I think there's, unless I find another one in there. I have 4 potatoes. Oh, honey. That's it. And then we have celery. So you can see a little bent there, but I mean, you see that good on there?
Mm-hmm.
So to me, it looks, I mean, it's pretty firm. I don't know why I got an eggplant recipe if I didn't have eggplant in here, but besides for that. And then these look like green beans.
I have an itch on my nose.
These come in a, I think this is a biodegradable compostable bag. So let's see. Yep, so here are the green beans. Those look pretty nice too. I mean, nothing is like smushy or brown or anything like that. So, can you see that good? Yep. So, oh, the doggies are back in. So you guys, I don't know about you, but I'm pretty satisfied. So I paid, what did I pay? I had a 25% off code, so 25% of the 22. So I paid less than $22 for my first box for this, but this is $22 value. So to me, that seems pretty good, especially seeing that these items are organic. So I know if I were to go to, like, say, Wegmans, because that's where I personally shop, I'm not even sure they offer well, at least at mine, they don't offer organic cauliflower, but I pay $2.99 a head for that, you know, and this is probably like $3, and if I buy organic celery, it's like $4. And then you have some other of the produce, you know, the peppers can be pricey and the kale. Obviously, if I'm going to the grocery store, I'm also going to be buying a whole big bag of apples. So, I mean, this is geared only to I think it said 2 people, so it's for a small family. So, depending on how I like this, maybe next time I'm going to up for the bigger box to see how I like it, see what comes in that, and if I do, maybe I'll do another video to show you guys how much more produce comes in that. But so far, overall, you guys, I'm really pleased with this. I'd love to hear your thoughts and what you think about the selection that came. I'm pretty happy. I think everything here, there's nothing here that I would say like looks gross or I'm not gonna eat or anything like that. Everything's gonna be used because that honestly was my biggest fear, is that I'm gonna get stuff and I'm gonna be like, ew, I don't like it, it doesn't look good, I'm not gonna eat that, because to be honest, I'm a little picky with my food. So, I'm really happy, you guys. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. I definitely would. So, a good thing too with this is when you sign up, you get a referral code so you can share with your friends and family, and you can get, they can not only give you incentive, some money off your orders next time, but you also can share 25 cents off with your friends. So you guys, you can totally save 25 cents. 25% off your next order when you use my code, which I will also share with you guys a link. I'm going to also make a blog post about my personal experience. I have been sharing this with other people based on somebody else's experience. So I will be writing this all up, and I will have the code for you as well and more information on this box. So it is Misfits Market, and it's a subscription box for fresh organic produce. So I think I'm going to keep it, you guys. It might be fun too to have different produce where you might get some new things to try and to make an adventure of your meals. It might be a great idea to incorporate your kids as well. I know a lot of people struggle getting their kids to eat maybe fresh produce, and so maybe this might be a great fun way to get your kids involved and helping them open the box and getting them more involved. When they're more involved, they're more likely maybe to try new things and to eat the food and help you cook it. So that's what I plan on doing, just some more fun with our foods, eating healthy. So I guess that is all I have to say, you guys. I would love to know your thoughts on this, and I will share again the coupon code for you guys when I am done. And if you have any questions, you can go ahead and ask, and I will try to do my best to help you and answer them. So I will see you guys later. I hope you have a great day.
Where do I end it? It says finish.